Hi everyone, I'm Rob Keeley, and I'm the author of The Alien in the Garage, the Spirits series, The Teacher Who Knew Too Much, and lots of other books for young people. Miss Miller got in touch with me and told me all about your creative writing club, which I think is a fabulous idea. I'm glad you're all readers and writers, because writers are the most important people on Earth. We keep the world alive by showing what's going on, by creating new places and characters, and by giving people hope. Anything's possible when you can use words. Books, movies, TV, the internet, newspapers, magazines, they all need us to make them happen. So please keep reading, and please keep writing. Now, here's a quick creative writing activity you might like to try in your club. Your phone rings, and a voice you've never heard before says, "Quick, we need you. There's not a moment to lose." Who is it, and what do they want? Is the message really for you? What happens? Best wishes to you all.